What's up, guys? Today we got a couple things going on. I'm changing out some the hoses on the boom, which I made a video on that. If you're interested in it, it's in my videos. You can look it up. Working on the S240. I was running it yesterday or night before last, and I broke the cables inside your boom, which that pretty much extends your head in and out. I'm gonna show you what you have to do to change them. I'm waiting on the part to come in. We got them, should be overnighted, so it should be coming in today. But this back piece, as you know, it's got this grating. You just flip it down. You got a little clamp deal right here. You just loosen that up and it turns sideways and this will drop down. You can get in here to all of it. But as you can see, if I can zoom in enough, the cables go on these two rollers right here. The one on the left, the one on the right, the one right here, and the one over here. The cables go on them. And it actually feeds to the front. The trick part is, I'll tell you how to get in there to it, because when you look in the end of your boom, you can see the cables where they hook, but you can't get to them. If you're crawling to the bottom, extend your head all the way out. The way I done it, whenever the cable's broke, your front boom won't come out. It'll stay. This boom will come out so far. Your top boom, it'll come out so far and it'll stop. You can pretty much put your back riggers all the way up, let your front riggers down some, and it'll slide out. But your hoses are going to try to tangle up in the back, so you kind of got to keep an eye on that. And you got that flashlight, Papa?
What?
Light. Oh, let me get the flashlight. I think I left it up here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right here. All right. If you'll look under, once you extend your boom all the way out, you can, it'll leave these holes right here. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah. You'll see the two holes come out. And if you'll look up in here, right here's your cables. And you can see I got a wire hook to it to pull them back through, but I don't think that's really gonna work because they're broke, so it's not gonna fish through. So I'll probably end up taking a piece of rebar and pull it back out. But if you'll look up in here, they connect to, let's see, yeah, right there. If I can move that over. There's that pin right there. There's like a plate that goes back and forth. No, it's right there. My bad. One of them connects here, one of them connects over there. I can look up in here. Yeah. The one in the back connects to that, to the one in the back, and then the one in the front connects to that one. But what it is, you take them clamps off. You have a up here. I get it. All you have is these pins. They just go through your your wire like that. And then you got your card or your key right here. These are kind of a pain to get out though, I'm gonna lie to you. I had to use vice grips to reach up in there and a screwdriver to kind of help hold it. But you can change them out, man. You just have to get into your hole down at the bottom like this. It's about the best way to do it, because if not, I guess you have to take your whole boom off. But once you get up in the front, you might not can see, I don't know. But if you look right back in there, your cables actually, they fish around them rollers on the sides. Let's see. They go around in two rollers. One on this side and then the one on that side. It goes on there and there. So you kind of have to fish it from the back to the front. And then it loops over that. It'll hook pretty much be like you got one cable that goes around both rollers, the front and the back, and then it hooks to the front and back on them two posts under the bottom, which you can see once you take it out how it works. But hopefully that'll help you out. And if you got any questions, just give me a comment. I'll try to do what I can to help you. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with more of my videos.